Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting yourself. Immediately make a duplicate of the locked DWG. Once done, inspect the file properties and remove read-only. Make sure you are the owner or have write permission. Next, launch Autocad with administrator rights so the app can override file locks from the OS. Then open the file using the open dialog rather than double-clicking. This lets you see read-only or recover options. If the open dialog shows a locked state, proceed to recovery steps in Autocad. You now focus on repair. Run the recover command from the command line to force Autocad to repair the file as it opens. After recover completes, execute audit and confirm fixing errors, then purge to remove unused definitions that can keep a file locked. If recover fails or Autocad refuses to open, locate the back or SV $autosave file in the same folder, rename it to DWG and open it. Make sure Filedia is enabled so dialogues appear when prompted. Finish by saving a fresh copy. Use Savias to create a new file name so any residual lock metadata is stripped. Then inspect external references and layers and bind or detach xrefs if they cause the lock. If the OS still blocks saving, reset folder permissions or take ownership via properties and then retry. If Autocad prompts for a password, you cannot bypass it. Contact the creator or restore from an available backup. Troubleshooting tip. If corruption persists, try the BAK/ASV route and open on another machine with the same Autocad version.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.